Because what is glucose? It's up, down.
I think it's up.
Up, down, up. I think, right? Up, down, up.
I'm not sure.
These are important things to know. Oh no, glucose is down, up, down. Is that fructose? I always get that mixed up. Down, up, down, and then OH. So that's what our glucose would be, and
Yeah.
then our, whether it's beta or alpha.
So do you remember which pages the three things are on?
What three things?
Oh, wait. Glucose is glucopyranose, right?
Yeah, because it's, because what does the pyranose tell you?
Wait a second. Isn't that glucopyranose? I thought the...
Furanose is 5, so if you, fructopyranose is a 5-member ring.
Oh, that's the 5.
Furious, that's not really lemon pot, it's Furious 5.
Okay, so the pyranose contains 6 atoms.
Well, it's a 6-member ring. Because fructose and glucose have 6 carbons
Yes.
in them. But it's a 6-member ring.
I mean, it actually has 7 atoms altogether. Wait,
Well, atoms, you got all these hydrogens too.
I mean, but just part of the ring. 2, 4, 6, 7.
Well, the ring, you have just 6 guys here.
Yeah,
But then you have 6 carbons, but the oxygen's part of the ring.
yeah.
Okay, so then it's fructose
Oh, yeah.
is up, down. How does that go again? So then here on fructose, this is kind of confusing, but you gotta make sure that it's where the oxygen is making it alpha or beta. Because this would be alpha, because this OH group's down, where the CH2OH is up.
Mm-hmm.
But if you flip these,
So which two molecules are we comparing on the fructose?
it's here. And it's still this anomeric carbon that has the oxygen there.
Okay.
And that's,
We're looking where this guy is,
Hmm.
not the CH2OH. So this would be beta.
So this is a D beta. Do
Yeah.
we still do D and L's for
Uh-huh.
fructose?
Yep, over here you have the CH2OH,
So
where
there
that
it's-
is.
Okay.
Gotcha.
And, you know, I mean, he could try to trick you because he could draw them upside down, he could flip them, but I mean, he more wants you to know it, not so
Yeah.
much. He might give it to you backwards.
If it were upside down, like, that'd be really mean.
Oh, then you have to know ribose. Ribose is just. Oh, duh. I know ribose. Ribose is just up, right? You never. It's always a question of where they put the ribose sugar at. The last semester, no one came in for the sugar one. And I
Really?
tutored the sugar one, but then I forgot all the different stuff. Of course, that's how it happens. Where's the ribose sugar?
right.
There's ribose. Where did fructose go?
But if he asks us to draw one of those out, we'll just have to draw it like the way you did.
Yeah. Exactly.
Yay.
So down, up, down.
When we number our fructose, is it, how do we do that? Because the anomeric carbon is 1, right? Is it always 1?
You number it.
Oh wait,
Carbon.
maybe,
I think you start here 1, 2, 3,
Oh, okay.
4, 5, 6.
so you just give the anomeric carbon the lowest you can. Because
Yeah.
usually it's number 1.
I'm pretty sure. Yep. You number. You still start with a chain. 1, 2, 3,
Okay.
4, 5, 6.
Cool.
I don't know if anyone wants to. If you want to Google the ribose. I
Okay.
can't. I never know. I mean, you guys know it, but then in the book they never. I'm pretty sure it's
Yeah,
down.
I was really annoyed by this section. They're just basic facts that take so long to find. Okay, here's the image.
Yeah, down. Okay.
But wait, what if it's wrong? Oh yeah, this one says down too. And this one, and this one, and this one. So the one on the right is the ribose?
Yeah, this is our ribose sugar. This is fructose, and this is glucose.
So,
Those are the 3 you have to know, right?
yeah. So let's see, 1, 2, 3. Those would all be D.
Yeah. So those are your structures.
Cool.
And so, I mean, the difference between ribose and fructose is, well, ribose, you don't have this extra deal right here. So what I do is I would draw a 5-member ring, and then you draw kind of like this left arm sticking up to see the H up on both of them. And
Yeah.
fructose is up, down, or ribose is down, down.
So,
And then fructose has a right arm.
for the one on the right, you know the hydroxyl that confers the conformity, it's the one on the left because you count clockwise from the oxygen,
The conformity, what do you mean by
whether it's D or L.
Yeah, this guy. Yeah, it's always these guys
But
that determine D and L.
Since the ribose has 2 hydroxyls next to the oxygen, you know it's still the one on the left because you count clockwise when you count the carbons.
You mean like numbering the carbons?
Yeah,
Well, don't you usually number from the anomeric carbon?
yeah. And,
So ribose, this would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
yeah. But then, how do we know it's for sure whether it's the anomeric carbon is on the...
The anomeric carbon has 2 oxygens attached
Yeah.
to it.
Oh,
That's
yeah,
the only
the-
one like that.
The one on the left has a second bond. Okay, I see.
Yeah.
That's the difference.